Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Xiaomi device so changes are reversible. Enable developer options and USB debugging, make a full backup and a system restore point. Once done, download a verified iOS emoji, TTF file, and a font installer app that supports system fonts. You need a compatible Android version, and for many Xiaomi models, Root or Magisk. This allows replacing the Noto color emoji font. Make sure storage has space, and note your current font file name before replacing it. Now you perform the core installation. If you have Magisk, install a dedicated iOS emoji module or use a root-enabled font installer to place the TTF into /system/fonts, replacing Noto color emoji. TTF. You must rename the file exactly and set permissions to RWRR so Android can read it. Once the file is in place, rebuild the font cache using FC Cache or the installer's tool, then reboot. This step swaps glyph maps, so apps render iOS-style emojis instead of stock Android ones. Finish by verifying emojis across apps, messages, social, and keyboards. Clear app caches or update apps to force font reload, then check whether emoji skin tones and sequences display properly. If you encounter missing or corrupted glyphs, undo changes by removing the module or restoring your backup, then confirm the font file name and permissions. For non-root users, install a keyboard app that provides iOS-style emoji images instead. Remember, restoring is quick, so you can safely iterate until the display matches your expectations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.